In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a tracking number in WooCommerce. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to ensure customers can track their orders seamlessly, you're in the right place. Adding tracking information not only keeps your customers informed, but also builds trust and reduces the time spent answering "Where's my order?" inquiries. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set this up so your customers can easily see where their shipments are every step of the way. Let's get started. First, begin by signing into your WordPress dashboard. To do this, you'll need an account with administrator access since we'll be adding and activating a plugin. Once you're logged in, look at the menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. From there, click on Plugins. This is where all the tools and extensions for your site are managed. To add the plugin we need, click the Add New button. This will open up WordPress's plugin library where you can search for thousands of tools to extend your site's functionality. Now, in the search bar at the top right of the plugin library, type in WooCommerce Shipment Tracking. You'll be presented with a list of results. Make sure to find the correct plugin by checking its name, ratings, and compatibility with your version of WordPress and WooCommerce. This step is important. Using outdated or incompatible plugins can cause issues on your site. Once you've found the right one, click the Install Now button. The plugin will begin downloading and installing. When the installation is complete, the Install Now button will change to Activate. Click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. With the plugin installed and activated, it's time to start adding tracking information to your orders. To do this, go back to the left-hand menu in your dashboard and select WooCommerce. From the drop-down options, click Orders. This will take you to a list of all your current and past orders. Choose an order that has already shipped, or if you're testing, you can select a recent order. Click on the order to open it in the editor. Once you're in the order editor, scroll down until you see the section labeled Shipment Tracking. This is where the plugin we just installed adds its functionality. Look for the Add Tracking Number option and click on it. A form will appear where you can enter the tracking details for this order. Start by selecting the shipping provider. Use the drop-down menu to pick the carrier you're using, such as USPS, FedEx, or another option. If you don't see your provider listed, some plugins allow you to type the name manually. Next, carefully enter the tracking number provided by your shipping carrier. Double-check this step to avoid mistakes that could confuse your customers. If your shipping provider offers a tracking URL, you can include it here. Many plugins automatically generate this URL based on the provider and tracking number, so you might not need to enter it manually. Then, add the shipping date if required. It's a useful detail for both you and your customers as it provides context for when the package started its journey. Once all the details are entered, click Save Tracking to attach the information to the order. Finally, you'll want to notify your customer. To do this, update the order status to Completed. Alternatively, you can resend the order email, which will now include the tracking details. It's a good idea to test this process with one order to ensure the email looks correct and that the tracking information is displayed properly for your customer. This step ensures everything is working as intended before you start using it for all orders. And that's it. You've successfully added tracking numbers to WooCommerce orders. This will make it easier for your customers to track their shipments and give them peace of mind while waiting for their packages. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.